Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back. Before I do start the video, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I do take my time in really trying to help you guys understand um, these courses as well as me learning at the same time as you guys. So if you do appreciate the effort, please consider subscribing and liking the video. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get right into it. So today's topic is going to be adding hyperlinks. So let's explore how hypertext works by adding a link to a basic website. Now, reading and modifying code is an essential first step in learning to build things for the web. This practice can take you a long way while you're learning to build websites from scratch. An attribute in HTML provides additional information about an HTML element. It comes in a name and value pair with the structure name equals value. For example, you can specify the width of an HTML element with the attribute width equals 500. So links are created in HTML with something called the href attribute, which stands for hyperlink reference. The href attribute allows us to specify the URL or the address on the web that a link should take users to. See below for an example of the href attribute in action. Now, when we set the href attribute on an anchor tag, abbreviated to A, we can specify both the text that should be rendered for the user, the text within the anchor tag, and the URL that the browser should navigate to. So essentially, with this code, we're assigning the value www.codecademy.com to the href attributes. When the user clicks on the text of this link, learn to code, they will be redirected to www.codecademy.com. So just to look at it right here, you can see that they put this inside of the brackets, okay? They put the href and then the name or the link, right? The link right here. And then after the brackets, they put what that anchor text should be, that text that displayed should be. So Alejandra has begun to build out her business's website. She wants to link from her homepage to a different page that contains her resume. To start, look in the index.html for the text that says 25 years of experience. It should be near line 20. Right here, yeah. It should be near line 20 and put an anchor tag around this text. Okay, so let's put an anchor tag around. So it says 25 years of experience. So simply just put an anchor tag around this. Let me go ahead and close this out a little here and then boom. So boom, done. Okay, done. Cool. So it's right here. And then add an href attribute to this anchor tag and give it the value /resume.html. This URL is called the relative path and it looks a little different from the full URLs you're used to seeing. That's because it's actually a link to another page on the same website. So we can omit the first part. Instead of www.jetsetter.com/resume.html, we can abbreviate the link to just this. Now open the hints if you need a reminder on how to set attributes for HTML tags. So it says here, let's do it right here. We'll do href equals /resume.html HTML. Run it. Perfect. Yay. And that brings her to her resume. That's perfect. Okay. Now click on the link that you made to navigate to Alejandro's resume. Click run one more time when you're ready to move on to the next one. So there you go. Her education, the Masters of Arts, the experience, skill, and yeah, that's actually incredible. So yeah, that's gonna end it for this video. Let me go ahead and run it so it checks it off. Yep. And that is gonna end this video. So we just learned about how to add a hyperlink to an HTML code basically. So yeah, we're starting to learn more about coding, and hopefully in the next videos we'll learn more and more on how to code. And until then, see you guys in the next one.